Batatonese, this recipe is a must for your Christmas dinner. Super easy and budget friendly. Let's start by cutting a carrot. I'll have it and then slice it like this. Then cut it into smaller cubes. Now I'll cut 3 potatoes, repeating the process, halving and cubing them. Next, put all the potato and carrot in a pan. Then, add salt to season and mix everything well. Once cooked, we'll transfer it to a container. Let's add a packet of olives and a can of corn. I'll season with a bit of black pepper. I'll use 100 grams of mayonnaise. Here I'm using bacon-flavored mayo. A pinch of salt, adjust to taste. I also used parsley and chives. Now, just mix everything together well. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. It's perfect for your Christmas dinner. It's delicious with rice, chicken, or even barbecue. It's simply perfect. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.